Hello. Last class আমি sine graph, cos graph আৰু তোমাৰ tan graph study কৰিছিলোঁ. আজি আমি period of sine, cos and তোমাৰ tan functions চাই লওঁ. Period of sine. তোমাৰ গ্ৰাফখনত আমি দেখিছিলোঁ যে after 2pi our sine value of theta remains same. That means তোমাৰ গ্ৰাফত দেখুৱা হৈছিলে sine of 2pi plus theta you will get what? Sine theta. This 2pi is called the period. তোমালোকক গ্ৰাফত explain কৰোঁতে কোৱা হৈছিলে. Similarly, তোমাৰ cos of 2pi plus theta is cos theta. And tomorrow tan 2pi plus theta is your tan theta. Therefore, what we say 2pi is the period of sine, cos, tan. Also for cosec, sec and cot. So this 2pi is called your what? Period. Why it is called period? Because after 2pi our value of sine theta will be same as 2pi plus theta. It is generalized কৰি আমি ক'ব পাৰো that 2n pi is the period. 2n pi is the period of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Why we can say 2n pi? Since 4pi plus theta is also sine pi. Sine 6pi plus theta is also sine pi. Sine tomorrow 8pi plus theta is also sine pi. You will go on continue in this way. So in place of 4pi we can write sine 2 into 2pi plus theta. Then in 6pi, in place of 6pi we can write 3 into 2pi plus theta. In place of 8pi we can write 4 into 2pi plus theta. Because it goes on in this way. Therefore this 2 into 2pi, then 3 into 2pi, this 1, 2, 3, 4 we are considering it as n. So generally we can say sine of 2n pi plus theta is same as sine theta. Like unit circle study কৰিছিলো. Unit circle to তোমালোকে describe কৰি চাব পাৰা. Say this is our unit circle with radius 1. Say one complete revolution is our what? 2pi. That means if we are say this is the position of the point P and we are traveling a angle theta along positive x-axis, then after 2pi here we are, this is our initial position P, then we are moving one complete revolution. That means one complete revolution means our angle is what? 2pi. That means here is our initial point, we are moving one complete revolution. That means a length of 2pi or radian 2pi, we are reaching to the same point pi. That means after 2pi we are reaching to the same point P. So we can say this 2pi is our period. Similarly আমি যদি দুটা revolution দিও, say this is a P is our starting point, we move one revolution 2pi, another second revolution 2pi plus 2pi 4pi. ঠিক আছে? So in two revolution we are moving angle is what? 2pi plus 2pi, that means 4pi. So generalize কৰি আমি ক'ব পাৰো this sine of 2n pi plus theta is what? Sine theta. So this 2n pi is called your period of trigonometric function. That means of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Clear? Next we come to a formula. Sine of even multiple, this is very important, even multiple of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to plus minus of sine theta. Even multiple of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to plus minus sine theta. Since this is even multiple of pi by 2, even multiple of pi by 2 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ ইয়াত sin theta হ'ব আৰু তোমাৰ plus minus depends upon the quadrant in which it belongs. Similarly তোমাৰ cos even multiple of pi by 2 plus theta তোমাৰ হ'ব cos theta. Even multiple হোৱাৰ কাৰণে even multiple of pi by 2 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ cos will remain as cos and theta will be your theta, and which quadrant is belong, for that it will be plus minus cos theta. So next tomar similarly tomar tan hok ba tomar cot hok ba tomar sec ke hok or tomar cosec hok, any trigonometric function even multiple of pi by 2 plus theta will be your, this corresponding trigonometric function will be your tan or karone tomar tan hobo, for cot it will be your cot, for sec it will be your sec, for cosec also it will be your cosec. Angle what we have? Angle we have theta, so this will be your theta. And tomar even multiple thokar karone tomar trigonometric function tomar same hoi thakibo, tan hole tan, cot cot, sec sec, cosec cosec, aru tomar kuntu quadrant belong korise he quadrant upor depend kori tomar plus or minus hobo. Clear? So next itia ami jodi if we consider the angle pi, say if we have the angle pi, this pi can be written as what? 2 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2, that means what? Even multiple of pi by 2. 2 is an even number, so 2 into pi by 2 means even multiple of pi by 2. This pi is an even multiple of pi by 2. So tomar hoboge ki sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta will be, this is your even multiple, pi is your even multiple of pi by 2, so tomar sin will be remain as sin. Itia check korim ami amar kuntu quadrant belong korise. This pi minus theta belongs in our which quadrant? This is our A as first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sin and cosec positive, third quadrant our tan and cot positive, fourth quadrant our cos positive. Clear? A S D C, everyone knows that. Next ami koislu that first quadrant our angle is theta, second quadrant our angles are what? Pi minus theta, or you can say 180 degree minus theta. Clear? Pi means 180 degree. Third quadrant we said pi plus theta, or we can say 180 degree plus theta. Fourth quadrant we said the angles in fourth quadrant are of measures 2 pi minus theta or 360 degree minus theta. This we have studied in our other classes. ঠিক আছে, ইতিয়া চেক কৰিবা তোমাৰ ইয়াত ইভেন মাল্টিপল হোৱাৰ কাৰণে this sin will be remain as sin theta. This sin will be remain as sin and theta. What we have this theta. Next pi minus theta তোমাৰ কোনটো quadrant belong কৰিছে? So তোমাৰ pi minus theta belongs in your second quadrant. In second quadrant your what? Sin and cosec are positive, so we will have here plus. Next if we have in this way sin of pi plus theta, this is pi is a even multiple, so even multiple hoar karone tomar sin will be remain as sin, and it is pi plus theta belongs to which quadrant? Third quadrant. Pi plus theta third quadrant, so where your tan and cot are positive, sin is negative, so we will have what? Minus sin theta. So next আমি আৰু কেটামান এক্সাম্পল চাই লওঁ. cos of তোমাৰ লোৱা pi minus theta, cos লৈছো আমি pi minus theta. This is our x axis and y axis, A S T C. So here is our theta, here is our pi minus theta. pi plus theta, and here fourth quadrant 2 pi minus theta. So tomar pi minus theta, tomar yat pi ase, pi is your even multiple, so tomar cos will be remain as your what, cos theta, and pi minus theta belongs to your second quadrant our sign positive, so your cos is negative, so we will have minus cos theta. Next we can also see, okay, consider your 10, take it as 4 pi minus theta. What is this 4 pi? 4 pi is actually your 8 into pi by 2. 4 pi is actually your 8 into pi by 2. 8 is what, even multiple. 8 is even multiple of pi by 2. So according to our formula, 4 pi is your even multiple of pi by 2. So what it will have, 10 will remain as your tan theta. 10 will remain as your tan theta, and 4 pi minus theta, which quadrant? We have to check in this way. 4 pi, till here you have 1 pi, 2 pi, this is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. So till here 1 pi, again I am saying 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Here we have what, 4 pi. Now what we are saying, 4 pi minus theta, that means we are already in fourth quadrant. Till here we have 4 pi, but we are decreasing 4 pi minus theta, that means we are decreasing theta from 4 pi, that means we are less than 4 pi. So we will be in which quadrant? 4 pi minus theta thokar karone tomar fourth quadrant hobo. The fourth quadrant we say that our cos is positive, so our tan will be what, negative. Clear? So tan 4 pi minus theta, we have what, minus tan theta. So in this way we can also check for cot. You can check cot, say we have taken 6 pi plus theta. Let's check it for this 6 pi plus theta. Cot tomar yat 6 pi ase, 6 pi means you can say 12 pi by 2. 6 pi means your 12 pi by 2, so 12 is an even multiple, so cot will remain as cot. Now check 6 pi plus theta belongs to which quadrant? 6 pi, till here we have got 4 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. So tomorrow this is your 5 pi, this is your 6 pi. 6 pi plus theta, 6 pi plus theta, that means we are increasing, so 6 pi plus theta will be here somewhere else. 6 pi plus theta will be in your first quadrant tomorrow cot ki hai, all positive, so cot positive. So clear? So next second formula we see here is when we'll study about odd multiple of pi by 2. So whatever trigonometric function we have, sine, cos, or sine, cos, tan, or cot, or sec, or cosec. So whatever trigonometric function we have, if we have odd multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2 plus theta, odd multiple of pi by 2 plus theta, see very carefully, whatever trigonometric function we have, odd multiple of pi by 2 plus theta, then this sign, when we have odd multiple of pi by 2, this sign will change to cos. This sign will change to cos. Cos will change to what? Sine. Tan will change to your cot. Cot will change to your tan. And sec will change to your cosec. And sec will change to your cosec will change to your sec. And what will have? Theta. And here in the beginning we'll have plus minus according to the quadrant in which it belongs. So that means tomar odd multiple of pi by 2 hole tomar sine kole change hobo cos, cos tomar change hobo sine, tan tomar change hobo cot, cot tomar change hobo tan, tarpisot tomar sec change hobo tomar cosec le, aru tomar cosec change hobo tomar sec le. Clear? So now let's do some examples. Loa tomaloke sine pi by 2 plus theta. Say this is our quadrant ASTC. Pi by 2 means 90 degree plus theta. So here till here we have 90 degree pi by 2 plus theta বুলি কোৱাৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ second quadrant হ'ব এটা check কৰিম আমাৰ pi by 2 pi by 2 means 1 into pi by 2 which is your odd multiple of pi by 2. So this sign will change to what? Cos. This sign will change to cos and here this is your theta. So pi by 2 plus cos sin tomar ho jaboge cos theta and pi by 2 plus theta is your which quadrant? Second quadrant. So here in second quadrant amar sin ki hoy? Sin is your negative, sorry positive second quadrant, so plus cos theta. Next we check kora tan loa 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Yat tomar 3 odd multiple of pi by 2 ase, so tan will get to what? Cot. Tan will change to cot theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta eta kuntu quadrant belong kore check koriba. 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So 3 pi by 2 is your 1, 2, 3 pi by 2 till here you have 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So tomar 3 by 2 plus theta is your fourth quadrant. Yes, is your belongs to your fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant of tomar 10 negative hoy because cos positive. Fourth quadrant of tomar 10 negative. So tomar minus cot theta. So now check kora cos of 7 pi by 2 minus theta. So this is your 7 odd multiple, so cos will change to what? Sin. So tomar sin of theta 7 pi by 2 minus theta. Calculate which quadrant it belongs. 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pi by 2 minus theta. So this belongs to your third quadrant. So tomar third quadrant tomar cos ki hoy? Negative, so minus. Clear? So yat ami sam how to find the value of sin 31 pi by 3. So here we'll find the value of sin 31 pi by 3. So ebila question tumalokor ahi thake marks 1 marks thake tomar. So ami ki koribo lagibo amar default angles ekhini tomar bahut dangor angle hoy. Sin 31 pi by 3 is a very greater angle. So ami amar default ba amar known angles which are 0 degree, 30 degree which is written as pi by 6, 45 degree which is written as your pi by 4, then your 60 degree which is written as your pi by 3, 90 degree which is written as your pi by 2. আমি এই ডাঙৰ এংগলছ খিনি এই সৰু এংগলছ খিনিলে আমাৰ ডিফল্ট এংগলছ খিনিলে যাৰ আমি ভ্যালুজ খিনি জানো সেই এংগলছ কিটালে আমি কনভাৰ্ট কৰিম. So how to convert? By using this formula. So this sin 31 pi by 3 can also be written as 30 plus 1 pi by 3. 30 plus 1 pi by 3. Next এটা কি কৰিব তোমালোকে 3 ডিভাইড কৰি দিবা. 3 30 by 3 তোমাৰ কি হ'বগে 10. 30 by 3 তোমাৰ হ'বগে 10 plus 1 by 3 pi. Clear? 1 by 3 pi. Eta pi তোমালোকে ভিতৰত সোমাই দিবা. So তোমাৰ হ'ব 10 pi plus pi by 3. So এটা আমি acute angle পাই গলো. Pi by 3 আমি পাই গলো which we know the value. Now 10 pi, what is this? This is even multiple. Why? Because 10 pi can be written as what? 20 into pi by 2. 20 which is even multiple of pi by 2. So tomorrow this sign will be remain as sign. Sign will be remain as your sign. And what do we have your theta here? Theta here is your pi by 3. So tomorrow pi by 3. Now formula ki koisilo? Even multiple plus even multiple of pi by 2 plus theta is your what? Sin theta. So tomorrow yat holge sin theta. Theta ase tomorrow pi by 3. So let me check 10 pi plus pi by 3 tomorrow kuntu quadrant. 10 pi plus pi by 3 তোমাৰ কোনটো কোৱাড্ৰেণ্টত বিলং কৰিব মই সৰুকৈ ইয়াত দেখাই দিছোঁ তোমাৰ 10 pi ইয়াত তোমাৰ 1 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi 5 pi 6 pi 7 pi 8 pi 9 pi 10 pi ভালকৈ কেয়াৰফুলি কাউণ্ট কৰিবা চ' তোমাৰ 10 pi ইয়াত থাকিব ঠিক আছে 10 pi plus pi by 3 10 pi plus pi by 3 প্লাছ কৰাৰ কাৰণে আৰু এক্সিড হ'ব চ' তোমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোৱাড্ৰেণ্টত বিলং কৰিব চ' তোমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোৱাড্ৰেণ্টত তোমাৰ অল পজিটিভ চ' তোমাৰ চাইন উইল বি what পজিটিভ চ' চাইন pi by 3 ভেলু উইল বি your sin 60 degree that means your value is √3 by 2 চ' তোমালোকে হোমৱৰ্ক কৰিবা find the value of number 1 sin of so here it is your sin 29 pi by 3 10 31 by 6 pi do it as your homework so tomorrow it was sin 29 pi by 3 and the second 10 31 pi by 6 is your homework try it by yourself so this formula sin square x laba para plus cos square x is equal to 1 this is our default formula everyone knows that clear the both side divide by cos square x so what will have sin square x by cos square x then here we have cos square x by cos square x equal to 1 by cos square x so what will have sin square x by cos square x is your tan square x plus 1 equal to this is your sec square x so tan square x plus 1 equal to sec square x is your default formula so these two formulas we will use to solve some of our problems so exercise 3.2 check your question number 2 1 you check so tomar given tomak dia ase given ase tomar cos x equal to minus half x lies in tomar ki dili dia ase x belongs to your third quadrant question dia ase tomalokor third quadrant tomak find out kobo lage ki we have to find the values of the other trigonometric functions that means we have to find sin x then sin x sec x again ঠিক আছে cos x আছে cos x reciprocal আমি ভালকে জানো sec x means what 1 by cos x যদি হয় তোমাৰ 1 by minus half 1 by minus half means 2 that means তুমি sec x কিমান পালা minus half clear next এতিয়া তোমালোকে sec x pala also we have sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 so from here we can find sin square x plus cos square x value of cos x is what minus half so cos square x over to minus half whole square 1 so tomar sin square x over to 1 by 4 equal to 1 so tomar sin square x 1 minus 1 by 4 this will be over 3 by 4 so tomar ki hoboge sin square x or sin x will be your root over 3 by 4 root over plus minus root over 3 by 4 that means you can write sin x equal to plus minus root 3 by 2 now it is x belongs to our third quadrant and we know in third quadrant our sign is what negative that means 10 positive so our sign is what negative therefore sin x appropriate value will be minus 3 by 2 why minus root 3 by 2 why since x belongs to what third quadrant x belongs to third quadrant therefore sin of x will be what minus root 3 by 2 this plus root 3 by 2 will neglect it the sin pa loga tomaloke cos pabo sorry cos to already po ase cosec pai jaba cosec x হ'ব তোমাৰ 1 by sin x just reciprocal কৰি দিয়া minus 2 by root 3 হ'ল so আমি cosec পালো sin x minus root 3 by 2 plus আমি নলওঁ because আমাৰ দিয়া আছে x belongs to which quadrant third quadrant so আমাৰ third quadrant আমাৰ sin is negative so আমি plus root 3 by 2 ignore কৰিছো আমি লৈছো minus root 3 by 2 so similarly আমাৰ cosec হ'ব cosec minus 2 by root 3 হ'ব তাৰপিছত therefore আৰু তোমাৰ আছিলে কি cot sin পেলা cosec পেলা আৰু কি বাকি থাকিলে তোমাৰ cosec টো দিয়া আছে tan আৰু cot okay we know what tan x আমি কেনেকৈ ফাইন্ড আউট কৰিম sin x by cos x কৰিলে আমাৰ tan x হৈ যায় so তোমাৰ sin x ৰ ভ্যালু কি আছে sin x ৰ ভ্যালু তোমাৰ -3 root 3 by 2 আৰু cos x ৰ ভ্যালু তোমাৰ আছিলে কি -half so তোমাৰ minus cancel হ'ব 2 cancel হ'ব root 3 so তুমি tan x ৰ ভ্যালু কি পালা therefore tan x is your root 3 and reciprocal কৰি দিবা cot x পাবাগে তোমালোকে 1 by root 3 cot x পাবাগে 1 by root 3 so আমি বাকি পাঁচটা trigonometric ratio আমি easily find out কৰি ললো so তোমালোকৰ homework 3.2 exercise 3.2 question number 2 কৰিবা question number 2 and the question number 4 these two আজি submit কৰি দিবা because these questions are very easy and important